arctan, arcsine, arccosine, or a logarithm combined with like a polynomial. The good news is probably going to things are going to clean up pretty fast, so don't be scared of them, okay? All right, so here I'm going to say first times derivative of e to the negative x. Copy it down. Ln of e is 1 times the derivative of negative x, which is negative. And then I'm going to say plus the second times derivative of the first. Then I got to make a decision because I got to get to the second derivative for a point of inflection. So I'm thinking, do I want to clean that up any? Or do I just want to do, let's just do it as is. I mean, I don't think it matters either way, really. Only one. Okay, so I'm going to do the product rule again on the first part. And by the way, I wouldn't do net. Okay, so pause. Suppose this was a free response and they asked me increasing, decreasing point of inflection. Sorry. Increasing, decreasing, maximum. Then I would negative exponent, combine them, do all that. When I got ready for my second derivative, maybe the b part, I'll probably go back to this statement that's a little easier to take a derivative on. All right, so I'm going to say first times derivative of the second plus the second times derivative of the first. And then I'll get to this in a minute. So this is just my product rule right here. Derivative of e to the negative x. Copy it down. Ln e. And the derivative of this is negative, which would really make this positive. Does that make sense to everybody?
Yeah.
Then I have plus second times derivative of the first. Oh, and then I have this one. So now I almost wrote it down. I've got to take the derivative of it. So this is just 2e to the negative x. So I have a coefficient of 2, and then I copy it down, e to the negative x times the negative. First I thought those are going to cancel out. Alright, so now I have the second derivative is, let's just start factoring out at e to the negative x. That gives me 2x minus 2 minus 2. So 2x minus 4. So what's my only possible point of inflection? 2, which kind of makes me feel good. I see one of those over here. So, and you see they have the negative 2 in case I've made a careless mistake. If I cancel them out, they've got the 0 here for me. So I'm going to do a second derivative chart. This is always positive. This is 1 over e to the whatever. It's always going to be positive. And so all I need to do is test this one. So if I put in 0 or something, I get a negative. And after 2, I get a positive. So I do see a sign change. So it should be at 2. Okay. Do y'all have any other specific questions?